Ritzy Cupcake. We caught the train from Shinjuku, the Keio line, and we got off at Keio Center Station, which is the station you see here. It is super kawaii, it's got Sanrio all over it, and it really sets the vibe for your day at Sanrio Puroland. We found lifts, or elevators, whatever you call it, along the route, so it was very stroller friendly. So yeah, as you can see, straight from the train station all the way to Sanrio Puroland, it's all decorated in Sanrio Hello Kitty vibes. It is so much fun, you really get into the spirit of it. It's all really well signposted, so you know for sure that you're headed in the right direction. I love the little details, even the gardens have little Sanrio characters in them. If you wish, you can take your stroller with you in the elevator, or you can park them in the stroller parking, which is what we ended up doing.
Wow! Wow!
We figured it would be a good idea to let Baba use his energy on the steps, because there are lots of stairs in Sanrio Puroland. This is like literally heaven for me right now. Oh my god! So exciting! If you know me, you know that I love dressing to theme, so I dressed up in a Hello Kitty dress and I put Baba in a Purin t-shirt, which really worked out because this room was perfect for him. We got so many cute photos and it was just so much fun. There are a few dining places to choose from. There's the Character Food Court, Sweet Parlor, the Buffet Restaurant and Sanrio Rainbow World Restaurant, as well as Cinema Roll Dream Cafe. We decided to go with the buffet because I could not decide and I wanted everything, and also you can have opportunities to meet the characters in the buffet, so why not? Arigatou gozaimasu! Your own curry rice in the shapes. We're at the buffet, eating our cute food. This is the line for the Kabuki theater show. Thankfully, it's not busy, so we're just walking straight through.
Boys and girls, hello and welcome to the American Theater. Thank you for coming today.
We've just finished watching Kawaii Kabuki from the theater, and oh my god, I'm speechless. Like, it was so amazing. The dances, the costumes, the show. I mean, it's all in Japanese, but you don't need to understand Japanese to enjoy it. It was so good. And even our almost 2-year-old was captivated. Like, he was like, wow, and clapping along to the songs, and he was having such a great time, and I was having a great time, and it was just fantastic. Maybe if you've got slightly older kids, might not be good for them because it's a little bit like more geared towards adults, but younger kids whose the stuff will just go over their heads, it's fine for them. Minute wait time for my Melody ride. I just got a Puro pass, which is a fast pass for family for the next time slot, because the wait time is 50 minutes and we cannot do that with a toddler, and I really want to go on a ride, so here we go. Oh, wow.
Very good.
My personal recommendation, if you can ditch the stroller, please do so, because there are so many steps and you can really enjoy Puroland a lot better with your toddler walking around and using up their energy on the steps, because they're gonna nap better, and also your Japan trip overall, they're probably going to be spending a lot of time in the stroller anyway, or the baby carrier. It's a good opportunity for them to get some steps in a safer environment. There's also an arcade section, and this was probably Bubba's favorite place because he could spend hours in these little bus things. Oh, they've gone a little bit overboard in the shops. But that's what I'm here for, so yeah. When else am I gonna come and buy all this Sanrio stuff at Sanrio Puroland? So exciting. Most of it is actually for my baby, but he's the best excuse to go shopping, honestly. Oh, we've had so much fun. That was literally the best day. I cannot even, like, I pretty much was in heaven. I just wanted to live in here. I just want to move here and live here and come here every day. It's just too cute. I'm just overwhelmed. Everything was so kawaii. Yeah. Highly recommend visiting if you've got small children. There is no real impediment to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.